NBA Finals? Is it the Miami Heat or the Oklahoma Thunder? Well, I would think the Miami Heat because the Miami Heat has more powerful players, has a lot of experience in the Thunders, and ha- has went to the finals last year. So this is the second year in a row since they lost last year to the Dallas Mavericks. I think they're gonna step up their game this finals and beat the Oklahoma Thunder at the game. Oklahoma Thunder had a really cool run in the playoffs. They beat the Lakers and they beat the San Antonio Spurs. But I don't think they're gonna beat the Miami Heat because they're not powerful enough to beat the Miami Heat. The Miami Heat is gonna score the Oklahoma Thunder because the Oklahoma Thunder are weak. They had, I would admit they had a good run, but their winning streak is about to end, and they're about to lose the finals to Oklahoma Thunder. So you better watch out, Oklahoma fans, because Miami is bringing their A game on. So why I said that? Because Miami Heat has a lot of experienced players than Oklahoma Thunder, like Dwayne Wade, LeBron James. Wow, Oklahoma Thunder just have young people like Russell Westbrook, Kevin Durant, Serge Ibaka. What else? They just suck. They can never beat the Miami Heat. So the Miami Heat, they better bring the A game on. They have to bring the A game on because this is the finals. They don't want to be like last year where they lost to the Dallas Mavericks and Dallas won their first NBA title. So bring the A game on so you could win the title, Miami Heat. But Oklahoma, just sit down, get a blanket, and crawl under your beds because you know Miami Heat is not gonna lose this game. Just better hope. Watch out, Oklahoma. Deuces. Please subscribe.